Good morning, Facebook. Good morning, YouTubers. Saturday, April 12th, 46 degrees, 77% humidity. I'm in downtown Covington, Georgia. We're about to have a beautiful day. Look at this home. Man, somebody really put some thought into this bad boy. They've completely redone it. Gonna be dealing with a Nordic white floor today. Look at that. But here's the problem. See all the yellow? We have found proof on some of the baseboards where they put some type of polyurethane on here that has turned yellow. Some type of cheap Home Depot, low brand, something on this beautiful floor. So what we're gonna do today, you see the yellow here and the yellow there. I braided this floor and was able to get all of the yellow out. Then we're gonna seal this floor with Professional Coatings Nordic White Sealer. Then we're gonna put 2 coats of semi-gloss on this floor. Look at that, beautiful floor. We'll do this large room here, this large room here, the hallway, this bedroom, see all the yellow, and then of course the master bedroom. Look at that. As always, there'll be some great before and after photos. If you are a subscriber to my YouTube channel, I'm so thankful for you. I'll pray that God bless you all, so stay tuned. Facebook, YouTube. It's not very often that I complete a floor that brings me to tears. But this floor is absolutely flawless. We changed the color of it from a white that had turned yellow into this cherry. Look at this floor, guys. Wow. We'll walk you down the hallway. I don't always do a closing video for my videos, but today we belt sanded this floor. We used the Bona power drive on this floor. My goodness. My goodness. There's the master here. If you subscribe to my channel, I just want to tell you how grateful I am, and I pray that God bless you all. I'll see you guys on the next video.